When investing in replacement windows, many homeowners focus on the product itself, style, material, and energy efficiency ratings. While those factors are important, one critical element often makes the biggest difference in performance: professional installation. For homeowners in Layton, where weather conditions can vary from cold winters to warm summers, proper installation plays a major role in how well your windows perform over time. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver their full benefits if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures your replacement windows function as intended, providing comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability. One of the most important impacts of professional installation is improved energy efficiency. Windows are designed to create a barrier between your indoor and outdoor environments, but gaps or improper sealing can compromise that barrier. In Layton, where temperature changes can be significant, poorly installed windows can allow heat to escape in winter and enter during summer. Professional installers ensure a tight, precise fit that minimizes air leaks and helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Proper sealing is another key factor. Experienced installers use high-quality materials to seal the area around the window frame, preventing drafts and moisture from entering your home. This not only improves energy efficiency but also protects your home from potential damage caused by water infiltration, an important consideration in a climate with seasonal precipitation. Alignment is also critical to window performance. Replacement windows must be installed level and square to operate smoothly. If a window is even slightly misaligned, it can lead to issues such as difficulty opening and closing, uneven wear, and poor sealing. Professional installation ensures that each window is properly positioned, allowing it to function effortlessly and maintain its seal over time. Durability is closely tied to how well your windows are installed. Improper installation can place unnecessary stress on the frame, glass, and hardware, leading to premature wear or damage. In Layton's changing climate, where materials expand and contract with temperature shifts, a correctly installed window is better equipped to handle these conditions without losing performance. Another benefit of professional installation is enhanced insulation. Installers use specialized techniques and materials to fill any gaps between the window and the surrounding wall. This added insulation helps reduce heat transfer and improves overall comfort. It also contributes to lower energy costs by reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Moisture control is another area where professional installation makes a difference. Without proper flashing and sealing, water can seep into the walls around your windows, leading to issues like mold, rot, or structural damage. Professional installers follow best practices to ensure your windows are protected against moisture, helping preserve the integrity of your home. Noise reduction is an added advantage. A properly installed window creates a tighter seal, which helps block outside noise. This can make your home quieter and more comfortable, especially in active neighborhoods. In addition to performance benefits, professional installation also improves the overall appearance of your windows. A clean, precise installation ensures that frames are aligned, gaps are minimized, and finishes are polished. This enhances both the interior and exterior look of your home, adding to its overall appeal. Safety is another important consideration. Windows must be securely installed to function properly and provide reliable protection. Professional installers ensure that each window is firmly anchored and meets local building standards, giving you peace of mind. Working with experienced professionals also means the job is completed efficiently and correctly the first time. This reduces the likelihood of future issues and ensures you get the most value from your investment. Ultimately, professional installation is what brings your replacement windows to life. It ensures they deliver on their promise of energy efficiency, durability, and comfort. For homeowners in Layton, choosing expert installation is just as important as selecting the right windows. With the right team, your new windows will perform better, last longer, and provide the comfort and efficiency your home needs, making your investment truly worthwhile.